Hello guys. So there's this strange noise from my interceptor engine. It is very irritating while riding. So today I decided to take it to the workshop, and then when I came to know that the tick noise or whatever the noise is, it's coming from the engine. So basically I came to know that the exhaust valve and the inlet valve, if the clearance of required is not there, then this they rub against each other and they make this noise. So they continue to grow as as we use the bike more and more. So what we decided to do is we decided to open the engine. Both the twins had to be opened, and the exhaust valve. So it came to my knowledge that the exhaust valve need a clearance of 0.18 mm. So that was adjusted, and also the inlet valve a clearance of 0.08 mm. So the gasket was reused again, as there was no need to replace it. Also, the valve or the rockers that we called the rockers, if the rockers are not kept to the minimum, to say, distance, there's always a chance of more noise emitting from the engine, and they have more chance of that they can be dangerous. So the valves were adjusted and the engine was put back to its position. A small trial was made, and we came to know that there is no sound coming now from the engine. Since the bike was under warranty, no labor charge was charged, and it was like almost free. They did the servicing very instantly, and the servicing was done at Apex Motorcycle, Gangtok, Sikkim. They have been a very good friend of mine, and they have been keeping track of my motorcycle. They've been taking care of the motorcycle since the day I bought it. And thanks to them, that the engine still